A broken car trunk latch can be annoying and inconvenient, especially when the trunk will not open or close properly. This problem can also affect your safety by leaving the trunk unsecured while driving. The good news is that many trunk latch problems can be fixed easily with simple methods and basic tools. WD-40 can act as a lubricant to loosen rust and reduce friction, helping the trunk latch move smoothly. One common reason a trunk latch stops working is a lack of lubrication. Over time, dust and moisture can build up inside the latch mechanism, making it stiff or stuck. To fix this, start by opening the trunk and inspecting the latch area closely. Then spray a penetrating lubricant into the latch mechanism. Work the latch by pressing it with a screwdriver to help the lubricant spread evenly. If needed, repeat this process several times until your trunk latch starts working smoothly. In many cases, this simple method restores smooth movement and allows the trunk to close and lock properly again. Another method to fix a broken trunk latch is checking the alignment. If the trunk does not close fully or pops back open, the latch and striker may be misaligned. Look at the metal loop or striker on the car body and the latch inside the trunk lid. If they do not line up correctly, loosen the striker bolts slightly using a wrench. Adjust it a little up, down or sideways, then tighten the bolts and test the trunk. Small adjustments can make a big difference, and this method often solves closing problems without replacing any parts. Sometimes the trunk latch problem is not mechanical, but related to the trunk lock actuator, which controls the electronic opening and closing of the trunk. Replacing a faulty actuator is necessary. To replace a faulty trunk lock actuator, remove the interior trunk panel to access the actuator, then unplug the wiring connector and unbolt the old unit. Install the new actuator in the same position, reconnect the wiring, and test the trunk before closing it. If lubrication, alignment, and lock actuator checks do not work, replacing the trunk latch may be the best solution. To replace it, disconnect the battery if the trunk has electrical connections. Remove the interior trunk panel to access the latch, unscrew the old latch, and disconnect the cables or wiring. Install the new latch in the same position, reconnect everything, and test it before closing the trunk fully. This method provides a long-term fix and improves overall safety. By following these steps, you can easily repair a broken trunk latch and keep your car safe, secure, and fully functional, saving time and repair costs in the long run.